Hello, and welcome to Luxor Motorhomes, the pinnacle of luxury on wheels. Get ready to embark on a journey like no other, as we unveil 5 jaw-dropping motorhomes that redefine what it means to travel in style. Imagine multi-story mansions, futuristic technology, and off-grid freedom, all packed into stunning, one-of-a-kind homes on the road. Whether you crave power, innovation, or pure indulgence, these masterpieces turn every trip into an unforgettable adventure. Buckle up. Your dream lifestyle on wheels starts right here. Number 5. Kenworth T2000, the 2026. Kenworth T2000, nicknamed the Triple-Decker Palace, isn't just a motorhome. It's a 3-story luxury mansion on wheels. It's pearl white. Exterior, futuristic glass panels, and glowing LED lights make it look like something out of a sci-fi film. Step inside, and the first floor welcomes you with Italian marble floors. Upstairs, on the second level, there's a private office, a guest lounge, and a retractable bed hidden in the wall to keep the space open and flexible. But the real showstopper is the third floor, a glass-roof penthouse complete with a hot tub and a balcony deck, giving you luxury views wherever you park. Under the hood, it's powered by a Cummins X15 engine, with solar panels, high-capacity batteries, and satellite internet, so you're always connected, even off-grid. Priced at $4.2 million, the Kenworth T2000 isn't just about going places. It's about arriving in absolute style. It's a rolling statement of freedom, technology, and high-end living, built for those who don't settle for ordinary travel. 2026 Double-Decker Futuristic RV. The 2026 Double-Decker Futuristic RV isn't just a motorhome. It's a glimpse into the future, rolling right down the highway. From the moment you approach, it recognizes you, literally. A facial recognition door unlocks your entry, and an onboard AI assistant is already one step ahead, adjusting lighting, climate, and music to your preferences. Step inside, and even the floors impress. They cancel out vibration, making every ride feel smooth no matter the road. The kitchen is a tech lover's dream, a transparent oven that lets you monitor cooking in real time, a built-in espresso bar, and a smart fridge that suggests meals based on what's inside. Head upstairs and you'll find a glass-walled office with panoramic views, a compact Peloton gym, and a rooftop bar that transforms into stargazing mode at night, complete with ambient lighting and a retractable telescope. It's fully off-grid, thanks to powerful solar panels, a built-in garage for your EV, and full vehicle automation that handles everything from leveling to navigation. This isn't just travel, it's a futuristic experience wrapped in comfort, innovation, and style. The 2026 Double-Decker RV turns every journey into a high-tech adventure, no matter where you go. Number 3. 2026 Volvo FH16, the 2026. Volvo FH16 completely reinvents what a truck can be, transforming it into a stunning 2-story mobile penthouse that blends raw power with unparalleled luxury. Beneath its impressive exterior lies a beastly 780 horsepower D17 engine, delivering a massive 3,800 Nm of torque, ready to conquer any terrain with ease and confidence. Inside, the first floor welcomes you with a chef's kitchen designed for gourmet cooking, a cozy fireplace screen casting a warm glow, and plush luxury recliners that invite you to unwind in style after a long day. But the true highlight awaits. Upstairs, the master suite boasts smart glass windows that shift from clear to opaque at the touch of a button, offering complete privacy or panoramic views whenever you desire. Step out onto the retractable rooftop, where a spa-like hot tub awaits, turning every stop into a lavish retreat under the sky. Every detail in this 2-level marvel is seamlessly controlled via voice commands or a central touchscreen, making sophisticated living effortless and intuitive. This isn't just a truck. It's a mobile penthouse crafted for those who crave the power and presence of a Volvo, paired with the ultimate in comfort and elegance on the road. If you enjoyed this look at the Volvo FH16, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing luxury motorhome tours and reviews. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Number 2. 2026. Kenworth W900, next one is built for executives, creators, and modern nomads who demand the ultimate blend of luxury and productivity on the move. Powered by a rugged 565 horsepower Cummins X15 engine, this motorhome doesn't just deliver strength. It exudes sophistication at every turn. Step inside the first floor, and you're greeted by a dedicated office zone, complete with a massive 120-inch OLED screen that turns work into an immersive experience, plus a soundproof theater, perfect for presentations or unwinding with your favorite films after a long day. Upstairs, the king-size suite offers a private spa bathroom and a jaw-dropping 360-degree TV setup, featuring a retractable screen that disappears seamlessly when not in use, giving you the perfect balance of work and relaxation. Outside, cutting-edge solar panels keep everything powered up while satellite internet ensures you stay connected no matter where you roam. Need to bring your toys along? There's a garage for that, plus an outdoor kitchen that lets you cook fresh meals under the open sky. Traveling in this motorhome feels like flying first class, but better, because you're in control, on your own terms, and free to explore the open highway in unmatched style and comfort. It's luxury and freedom, perfectly combined for those who settle for nothing less than the best. Number 1. 2026 Double-Floor RV. Imagine stepping into a world of hotel-like luxury wrapped inside a sleek two-floor RV that redefines travel in style. The exterior shines with shimmering champagne metallic paint and panoramic windows framed by soft LED lighting that glows elegantly at night, turning heads wherever it goes. Inside on the ground floor, a plush, U-shaped leather lounge invites you to relax or entertain, while a smart kitchen equipped with the latest appliances makes cooking effortless, complemented by a massive 85-inch TV perfect for movie nights or streaming your favorite shows. Upstairs, the space transforms into a serene bedroom suite designed for rest, a fully functional home office to stay productive on the go, and a cozy cinema zone that blends comfort with style. Step out onto the walkout terrace to breathe in fresh air and take in the view, adding a touch of nature to this mobile sanctuary. Powered by a hybrid drivetrain and efficient solar panels, this RV offers true off-grid freedom without sacrificing power or comfort. It's like having a 5-star resort on wheels, thoughtfully crafted for full-time luxury living wherever the road takes you. Thanks for watching. If you love these incredible luxury motorhomes and want to see more amazing rides and dream homes on wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or want us to cover a specific model? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to take the next step toward your own luxury adventure, check out the link in the description for more info. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in style with Luxe Motorhomes.